Yes. And the concept today, multiple integrals. Yes. In that, we are going for the Cartesian system. The first one is straight lines. Straight lines. Say an example, the Cartesian system in the sense of there is an x-axis as well as y-axis. Yes. On the x-axis, y value 0. On the y-axis, x value 0. Yes. Now, there is some another line. There is some another line. This is the way. Now, what is the equation of this? Y is equal to something. C1 we can consider. Y is equal to C1, some constant. Now, one more line we draw that. This is the way. Parallel to y-axis. What is this equation now?
X equal to C1.
X is equal to C2. Some other number. Yes, not?
Yeah.
Now, X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0 are respectively the equations of Y and X axis. Yes, right? Now, X is equal to C2, Y is equal to C1 are respectively equations of line parallel to Y is equal to C2, which is parallel to Y axis, and Y is equal to Y is equal to C1 parallel to Y axis, and X is equal to C2 parallel to which one?
Sir, X is
equal to C2 parallel to Y axis. Yes.
Yeah,
And Y is equal to C1 parallel to X axis.
X-axis.
So this is the we can identify. Next. For example, another Cartesian system you can take it. This is X axis and this is Y axis. Now there is one line Y is equal to X. Exactly when it will happen? 45 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Certainly 45 degrees there is one more line Y is equal to X, which means, for example, in Cartesian system 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 something values you can mention on X axis, as well as Y axis also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this point indicates on X axis 1, Y axis 1, and this point indicates on X axis 2, Y axis 2. This point indicates X axis 3, Y axis 3. This point indicates X axis 4, Y axis also 4. That's the reason Y is equal to X. Exactly 45 degrees angle. One more line will go, this is the way, Y is equal to mx. Fine. Y is equal to mx. There is a straight line passing through the origin. So which means Y is equal to x. This is a straight line passing through again the origin but making an angle of 45 degrees. Yes, this one more you can remember. And the third one, again take x-axis and y-axis. Yes. Now one line correct. This is the way. If it is correct, this is the way. This point on x-axis, let us say A. On y-axis, this point 0. And here 0, B. Clear na? But this line equation we can call it as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Fine. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is also straight line. Yes, this is also straight. Which is having x-intercept at A. Yes, right? Y-intercept at B.
Yeah.
So there are the points A comma 0 and 0 comma B. Then this equation x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Got the point? Now
Yeah.
take a circle. You know that in the circle, all the along to the origin, all sides are equal now. This radius is equal. So let us
Yes.
A, and A. Fine. Now this equation, what we can write, if it is a Cartesian system, this is x-axis as well as this is y-axis. We can write it as x square plus y square is equal to a square. This refers circle with radius a. With radius a.
Okay.
You got the point?
Yeah.
Next. One more. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. There is hyperbola, this is the way. And this equation we can write from y-axis which is coming. So y square is equal to kx. Now, one more you can take it. For example, let's say an example. This is the way. What we can write for this? X square is equal to something constant c, y, which is on y-axis.
Yes.
Yes, this is along to x-axis loop. So y is equal to kx, and this is x square is equal to cy.
Yeah.
Now, y square is equal to kx is symmetrical.
Yeah.
Yes, symmetrical. Now, x square is equal to cy is also symmetrical. This is along to x-axis. This is along to y-axis. Fine? Next concept. Area, volume, surface area. Area, volume, surface area. First one, double integral r dx dy is equal to area of region R in Cartesian system, which is in Cartesian form. Yes, double integral refers area of region capital R. Dx dy, there is a Cartesian system over here. Second one, the same double integral r into dr is equal to 0, sorry, r into dr into d theta. There is a certain angle. What we can mention this? Area of region R in the polar form. In the polar form, you can remember L comma theta. There is a certain length L as well as angle theta, which is called as a polar form. Once you can recollect from the 12th grade.
Yes, sir.
Now, if it is triple integrals comes, there is a volume dx, dy, dz is equal to volume of solid. Yes, this is another criteria. Next, fourth one, if z is equal to f of x comma y, be the equation of a surface then the surface area is given by Now, whenever the surface area, there should be a double integral. Area, they are saying A. Now, z is equal to f of x be the equation of the surface, which means square root of 1 plus dz by dx whole square plus dz by dy whole square into dx dy. Fine.
Yes.
Next, if volume of a solid, which is in polars, so how it will be? So v is equal to double integral a 2 pi r square sine theta into dr into d theta. So these are all the theory part formulas. Now we can
Just, sir, 1 second.
do some problems now. The question now, evaluate double integral r xy dx dy where r is the region bounded by the coordinate axis and the line x plus y is equal to 1. Again I'm repeating, evaluate double integral r dx, xy dx dy where r is the region bounded by the coordinate axis and the line x plus y is equal to 1. What you understood from this question?
Sir, the coordinate axis means x-axis and y-axis,
Okay.
and y value is equal to 1 minus x.
Okay.
So there's a line that is going through both axes, I guess.
Okay. So one formula we discussed, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. On such case, x is equal, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, then x plus y is equal to 1, right?
Yeah.
Have you remembered that?
Yeah.
There is a something line, we can call it as came like this, and this equation x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, what we discussed. From that, if you compare that a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1, what will happen? X plus y is equal to 1 only.
Yeah.
Got the point?
Yeah.
So this is where we need to find out before solving of this question. Now here, R is the region. R is the region. And x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 are the origin now. Yes. And this coordinate axis, they are giving the x plus y is equal to 1, which means we can say that 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 are the boundaries for this.
Yeah.
Clear? Now, if you compare, if you take a graph of now on x-axis as well as y-axis over here. Now, if you connect the line, this is the way. This point, for example, this is 0, 0. This point will be 1 comma 0. This point will be 0 comma 1. Yes, right? This equation, what we can say, x plus y is equal to 1. Here, y is equal to 0 on x-axis, x is equal to 0 on y-axis. Then, this area, this called as a region. Yes, let's consider that is I is equal to double integral r xy dy. sorry, dx dy, which means now since x is equal to 0 to 1, y value how much? If x is equal to 0 to 1, y value how much? Y is equal to 0 to x plus y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 minus x.
1 minus x.
So here the limit is 1 minus x, xy dx into dy, right? Now, before already we solved. Or you can compare another way. If y is equal to 0 to 1, then x is equal to 0 to 1 minus y. Anything else you can able to do that.
So sir, in every question I get x, like if the question is kind of similar, x I can directly take 0 to 1, right? Depending on the graph.
Yes.
And
But some children, they will take y is equal to 0 to x is equal to 0 to 1. Some people will say y is equal to 0 to 1 and x is equal to 0 to 1 minus y.
Yeah, that is also correct, right?
There's also same thing will come.
Yeah.
Same answer will come. Now, what we do? In the same numerical, then what's the next step? I is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to 1. Proper way we have to go. Then integral here x into y square by 2. Lower limit y is equal to 0 to 1 minus x. Upper limit into dx. That is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to 1. X by 2. If you take out, then on the place of y square, substitute upper value, which means 1 minus x whole square, and on the place of y 0 means obviously that is 0, into dx. Now this x by 2, this 1 by 2 take front before 1 by 2, integral x is equal to 0 to 1, and here x into 1 minus x whole square. So x into 1 minus x whole square, separately I'm doing a square plus b square minus 2ab. Multiple with x. What we can get? X plus x cube minus 2x square, we got it.
Yeah.
Yes. Similarly, we do x minus 2x square plus x cube, we got it. Now we can do integral x is equal to 0 to 1. So which means half into integral of x square by 2. Integral 2x square, 2 into x cube by 3.
Yeah.
X cube
X
plus x power 4 by 4. Again, lower limit and upper limit 0 to 1, you can substitute it. So on that case, what will happen? Lower limit obviously 0. So upper limit only we have to submit. Half into 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4 if you substitute. Now once we can make it simplify this will be 1 by 12 will come. So finally 1 by 24 is the answer. So I is equal to 1 by 24. Entire the region integration is 24.
Yes.
Yes. Now the next question. Evaluate double integral y into dx dy over the region bounded by first quadrant of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now there is an ellipse problem. Yes. For this, take ellipse. In this ellipse, long axis and short axis. Origin will be 0, 0. Then this is on x-axis. The length will be a. So you can mention is a, 0. and this length will be b. X point 0, y point will be b. Now the first quadrant region they're asking. So this is the region we have to find out. Yes, right? Got the point? The question, you got it? Now the region R. Yes, R of integration we have to find out. Now x varies from 0 to a. So we can find out what the equation, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. From that, y square by b square is equal to how much? 1 minus x square by a square. 1 minus x square by a square, what we can write? A square minus x square by a square. Yes. Y square by b square is equal to, this is the value. Now, y square is equal to b square into a square minus x square by a square. We can write now. Now, y is equal to b by a square root of a square minus x square. Yes, since y is equal to 0 to, this is the upper limit. We have to find out the upper limit over here. Now, double integral r y into dx dy is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to a, integral y is equal to 0 to b by a of square root of a square minus x square into y into dy into dx. Now compare it. Integral x is equal to 0 to a. Integral y means y square by 2 of 0 to b by a square root of a square minus x square into dx. So that is equal to, now b square by a square, take it as a common out. So b square by 2a square will come. B square by 2a square. If you take common, integral x is equal to 0 to a. Now a square minus x square only remaining. A square minus x square into dx. Now again do this integral. B square by 2a square. If you take this, what will happen? A square x minus x cube by 3 integral 0 to a. Now once you can substitute b square by 2a square into a cube, because a into x, on the place of x, a square into a cube minus a cube by 3 minus 0. So which is ab square by 3. Now finally I is equal to ab square by 3. That's it. This kind, can you try once? Yes. We can see this question. Evaluate double integral xy dx dy taken over the region bounded by x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 and x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So let's start. How you can start? Which method we can use? What is the question over here? I'll explain. Absolutely, there is an ellipse. In this ellipse, there is x-axis and y-axis, long side and short side. And between that, one line is going on. This is the way. Yes, this point will be a comma 0 and this point will be 0 comma b. Yes, this is the area. Now, x varies from 0 to a. On that case, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, or y is equal to, direct step I'm writing, because y by b is equal to 1 minus x by a. Y is equal to b of 1 minus x by a. 1 minus x by a, what we can write? A minus x by a. So b by a into a minus x. You got this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, second equation what it is? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So from this y square value, what we can write? B square by a square into a square minus x square. Similar method. Or y is equal to b by a square root of a square minus x square. Anything also the same. Now, I is equal to double integral r xy dx dy. Clear? Now, integral x is equal to 0 to a. Integral y is equal to, what is the lower limit we can apply? B by a of a minus x. What is upper limit? B by a of square root of a square minus x square. Yes, na? Into xy into dx dy. Sorry, dy dx. Not dx dy over here. Yes, dx dy. Let it be. Now, first we can solve with y. So on that case, integral x is equal to 0 to a. So x into y value, we can do that. Y square by 2 of b by a of a minus x and b by a of square root of a square minus x square into dx. So that is equal to half into integral x is equal to 0 to a x into b square by a square into a square minus x square minus b square by a square of a minus x whole square into dx. Fine. So that is equal to b square by 2a square integral 0 to a square x minus x cube minus a square x plus 2ax square minus x cube into dx. So which is equal to b square by 2a square into 0 to a 2 of ax square minus x cube into dx. Can we do after simplification? Now, you want me to do again this one? A square x, again a square x, x cube, a square x, and 2ax square. Yes, na? 2ax square. Here this will be cancelled, no problem. 2ax square minus 2x cube. Directly we mentioned 2 into ax square minus x cube, nothing else. Now again do the integration on base of x. So which means these two will be cancelled because 2 we are taking out, these two will be cancelled. Now finally what will happen? B square by a square, this integration a into x cube by 3 minus x cube x power 4 by 4. So integral 0 to a. Substitute a value, upper limit only, lower limit obviously 0. So b square by a square into a power 4 by 3 minus a power 4 by 4 Once if you do that, a square b square by 12 will come. This is the final answer. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Please note it down. Yes. Evaluate double integral xy of x plus y into dy into dx taken over the area between y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. Now, what is the solution for this? Now, take x-axis and y-axis, and there is loop line. This is the way. Line will be connected over here. This will be 0, 0. Yes, please.
Sir, actually my Zoom actually crashed for a second. Can you just start again for me?
Okay. Yes. Now here, this will be 0, 0. And this will be, once you can compare it, this is 1, 0. And here 1, 1, x-axis and y-axis. And this point will be over here 0, 1. Now this area we have to find out as a region. Yes, y is equal to x. And this refers to y is equal to x square. Both they give now. Now, x square is equal to x because y is equal to x. X square is equal to x, or x into x minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. This gives y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Now the points 0, 0 and 1, 1. Now I is equal to double integral r xy of x plus y into dy dx, which means integral x is equal to 0 to 1, integral y is equal to x square of x. Now you can multiply x square y plus xy square into dy dx. Now that is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to 1. Now you can do here x square of y square by 2. So y is equal to x square into x plus x into y cube by 3. So y is equal to x square into x. So finally that is dx. Now integral x is equal to 0 to 1. So x square, x power 4 x power 4 by 2 minus x power 6 by 2 plus x power 4 by 3 minus x power 7 by 3 of dx, which means now again you can simplify x power 5 by 10 minus x power 7 by 14 plus x power 5 by 15 plus x power 8 by 21. Still x is equal to 0 to 1. Now once you can substitute that, you can get 1 by 10 minus 1 by 14 plus 1 by 15 minus 1 by 24. Once if you do the LCM, you will get it 3 by 56. Got the point?